Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to export bookmarks in Google Chrome. So if you want to export your bookmarks from here to another browser and then pretty much start from where you finished on Chrome in, for example, a browser like Opera, Firefox, or whatever you're using, it's actually pretty simple. We just need to navigate to the proper settings in our browser. So press on three dots, go to settings, then go to Bookmarks and Lists, and then press on Open Bookmarks Manager. As you can see, you can also use a shortcut. There you go. And in here, you will have all of your bookmarks. As you can see, I already only have one, only for YouTube, because this is like kind of a working account that I use on Chrome. And of course, you will have much more here. And in order to export all of it, you just need to press on these three dots and then go to Export Bookmarks. Okay, and after that, you just choose the location to where you wish to export your bookmarks as a simple HTML, sorry. And then if you wish to import, you go to Import in your other browser, right, Import, and then transfer everything from here to that browser. Pretty simply done, guys. Enjoy the tutorial, like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.